Okay, cash distribution program. It may be desirable to prepare in advance an installment distribution plan known as cash distribution plan. This program permits the partners to determine how cash should be safely distributed and when it becomes available. So last time yung topic natin is tungkol sa schedule of safe payments, and napansin natin na kapag schedule of safe payments, medyo matrabaho siya. Meaning, for every payment sa partners, kailangan natin gumawa ng schedule. And since now we are dealing with installment liquidation at may series of payments sa partners, what if ang installment liquidation ay tumagal ng napakahabang panahon at magkaroon ng sobrang daming beses ng payments sa partners? The schedule of safe payments is magiging impractical na kung ganon yung magiging situation, dahil sa for every payment to partners, kailangan mong gumawa ng schedule of safe payments. Ngayon, susubukan natin na instead of schedule of safe payments, ang gagamitin natin ay yung tinatawag na cash distribution plan, which it permits the partners to determine how much cash should be safely distributed. So, ganun din ang purpose ng cash distribution plan. Ang purpose niya is to ma-determine yung safe payment sa partners. The partnership of North, South, East, and West was formed several years ago. Some of the partners have recently undergone personal financial problems and decided to terminate operations and liquidate the business. The following statement of financial position is drawn up as a guideline for this process. Okay, given ang balance sheet, we have cash, AR, then the capital accounts, liabilities. At the time the liquidation commences, expenses of 16,000 pesos are anticipated as being necessary to dispose all property. Requirement: prepare a cash distribution plan for this partnership. So itong statement na to, may binanggit siya na anticipated expense na 16,000 pesos. And yung 16,000 pesos na yan yung tinatawag na liquidation expense. So, ang requirement is gagawa tayo ng cash distribution plan para sa partnership nila North, South, East, and West. So, malalaman natin kung bakit ba desirable ang pag-prepare ng cash distribution plan over sa schedule of safe payment. So, pag solve natin ang problem na to, doon natin malalaman yung reason bakit desirable ang cash distribution plan as basis sa payment sa partners. Ang profit or loss ratio ng bawat partners is 30% kay North, 10% South, 20% East, and 40% West. So hindi lang siya na i-type dito sa problem actually. So ang profit and loss ratio nila is 30, 10, 20 over 40. And kakailanganin natin ng profit and loss ratio nila sa paggawa ng cash distribution program. Okay, mag-start na tayo. So lalagay lang natin dito yung name ng partners. We have North, N for North, and yung kanyang profit and loss ratio 30. South 10%, East 20, West 40. Okay, nailagay na natin. Sunod, yung kanilang capital balances. Okay, ang ginagawa natin ngayon ay cash distribution program. So, consider yung capital balances. We have kay North. Ilan yung kay North? Kay North ay 120. Kay South, 88. Kay East ay 74. West ay 60. Yan. After ma-consider yung capital balances, ko-consider naman natin yung loan balances. And ang loan balances, pwede siyang receivable, pwede siyang payable. Okay, maghanap tayo ng loan. Okay, sa asset walang loan. Sa liabilities, meron. Ito, isa. East loan, 35,000. So, since yan ay nasa liability, yan ay payable to partner, payable to East. So, ibig sabihin lang nan, may utang si partnership kay East loan dahil nasa liability section yung loan account. What if ang loan account ay nasa asset section? Meaning, yung partner ang may utang sa partnership, kaya siya receivable. And kapag payable ang loan, ang treatment sa kanya ay padagdag. So, loan balances, si Is lang yung meron, 35,000. If ever man na may loan receivable, siya naman ay less. Ulit, pag loan payable, dagdag. Pag loan receivable, bawas. So, ito ay wala. 0, 0, 0. Okay. Next is yung total interest ng partner sa partnership. Okay. Total interest nila per cash distribution program purposes would be the total ng capital plus loan. So, capital plus loan equals total interest. We have 120, 88, 74 plus 35, 109, 60. Okay. After ma-compute yung total interest nila, kailangan nating ma-compute yung tinatawag na loss absorption balance. Paano yun mako-compute? Total interest divided by profit and loss ratio nila. So, sa kay North, ang loss absorption balance niya would be 120,000 divided by 30%. That is 400. 88 divided by 10% is 880. 109 divided by 20, that is 545. 60 divided by 40% equals 150,000 pesos. Ano naman tong tinatawag na loss absorption balance? Meaning, let's say ito kay North, ang loss absorption ng balance niya ay 400,000. Ibig sabihin lang nun, kapag nagkaroon ng loss on realization si partnership ng 400,000 pesos, yung capital ni North is kayang i-absorb yung ganon kalaki na loss. 400,000. So kung may loss absorption, kung may loss na 400,000 at si North ay 30%, therefore ang share niya sa loss is 120, which is yun yung amount din ng kanyang capital. And the more na malaki yung loss on absorption balance, yun yung magiging priority sa payment. So, sa case na to, ang may pinakamalaking absorption or loss absorption balance ay si South. So, lagyan natin ng number 1. Kukunin natin ang may pinakamataas na loss absorption balance na partner, which is si South. And kukunin din natin yung second highest, which is si East. So, yan. Si South ang may pinakamalaking loss absorption followed by East. Since na si South ang may pinakamalaking loss absorption power or loss absorption balance, siya yung unang priority sa payment. Priority 1 to South. Ayan. At what amount? Magkanong amount ng payment? Mamaya pa natin malalaman. Okay. Meron tayong figure na ilalagay dito sa row na ito. Which means, pagpapantayin lang natin yung first and yung second na may pinakamataas sa loss absorption balance. So, para mapagpantay natin tong dalawang to, kailangan nating pabawas ha, laging nating i-adjust ang may pinakamataas na amount papunta or para maging equal sa second. So, para maging equal to sa 545, yung 880, kailangan nating tanggalan ng 335,000. Bakit 335,000? Yung difference lang ng 880 minus 545. 335. Okay, balance. 400 remain the same. 880 minus 335 equals 545. 150. So, nagawa na natin yung objective natin. Pantay na silang dalawa. Parehas na silang 545,000. Then, repeat same process. Determine kung sino may pinakamataas na figure. Which is sa case na to, dalawa na sila. So, si South at si East. And yung second highest is si North. Okay, lagyan natin ng 2. Tandaan. Then, yung may pinakamataas na figure is dalawa. South and East. Parehas 545. Therefore, second priority 2, South and East. So, ang unang priority sa payment to partners ay si South. Siya ang unang babayaran. Second, si South as si East. So, same procedure pa rin. Pagpapantayin lang natin yung first na may pinakamataas na figure doon sa second. Which is, kailangan nating tanggalan ito ng 145,000. Saan ang galing ang 145? Difference between yung pinakamataas sa pangalawa. 545 minus 400. And since dalawa sila, dalawang 145,000. Okay. Then, mag-a-arrive tayo sa balance. Okay, hindi pa natin nako-compute yung total amount of payment. Nalalaman pa lang natin kung sino ang unang babayaran at kung sino ang sunod. Sino ang priority 1, sino ang sunod na priority. Okay, 400, 150. Okay, repeat ulit procedure. Sino ang pinakamataas na balance? Tatlo na. We have the North, we have the South, East, of course, second si West, 150. Then, since na, sorry, it should be 1, tatlo pala silang 400. So, 1, 1. Tatlo yung may pinakamataas, tatlo yung tabla-tabla. Then, repeat the procedure. So, since na tatlo silang may pinakamataas, priority 3 would be the North, si North, si South, at si East. Uulitin lang natin yung procedure. 400, which is the highest, minus the second, 150, that is 250,000 pesos. Tatlo sila. Ang third priority ay si North, South, and East sa payment sa partners. Then balance 150, 150, 150, 150. Since na pare-parehas na silang 150, hanggang dyan na lang yung ating ginagawa na proseso. So, nalaman natin na kapag magkakaroon na ng payment to partners, ang unang priority sa payment ay si South, meaning siya muna ang unang babayaran. Sunod, si South at si East, sabay, priority 2. And priority 3, sabay-sabay sina North, South, and East. Pero, at what amount lang yung ibabayad sa kanila. Yun yung susunod nating gagawin. I-determine natin kung magkano yung amount na payment yung allocated sa bawat partners using the cash distribution plan. So, instead na gawin ko to dito sa likod or sa second half ng yellow paper, gagamit na lang kami ng index card. So, para mas makita nyo yung flow kung paano talaga ginagawa ang cash distribution plan. Okay, so ganun pa rin. Lalagay lang ulit natin yung dito yung North, South, East, and West. And yung total payment. Then, lagay din natin yung kanilang profit and loss ratio, which is 30, 10, 20, 40. Okay. Ngayon, malalaman na natin yung amount na allocated sa bawat partner. Sino ang unang priority? So, priority 1. So, lagay na lang natin dito, P1. P1 means priority 1. At what amount? So, yung figure kanina, 335,000. Yan yung magiging basihan natin. 335,000 times kung ano yung profit or loss ni South, which is 10%. Okay. Ayan. 335 times, so 10% to. Bunayin ko naman. Yan. 335 times 10% equals 33,500. So, total ng priority 1 is 33,500. Next, priority 2. Okay. Priority 2. Sino-sino yun? We have dalawa yun South and East. Okay. Kay South, how much? Okay, balikan natin yung priority 2. Okay. South, 145 times yung kanilang profit and loss ratio. 145 times 10%. Pinagyan natin ng linya. Ayan. 145 times 10%. Ito yung 10%. Dun siya galing sa kanyang profit or loss ratio. 14,500. Then, si East. Okay, balikan natin yung amount. Priority 2. Ito, 145 din. Saan naman siya i-multiply? Sa 20%. Ito. 145 times 20% equals 29,000. Si East, 29,000 kay South ay 49. Therefore, total ng priority 2, 14.5 plus 29 equals 43,500. Next, priority 3. Tatlo yun. We have sabay-sabay sila. North, South, East. we have north N. So, siya represents by N. 250. Ito, dito galing yun. 250 times, ano ang profit or loss ratio niya? 30%. That is 75,000. Kay South, 250,000 din times 10%. That is 25,000. And yung kay East na 250 times 20%, that is 50,000. Yan. Okay. Total nilang tatlo, 75 plus 25 plus 50 equals 150,000 pesos. So, total neto, 33,500 plus 43,500 plus 150 equals 227,000 pesos. Ano naman ang ibig sabihin nito? Kapag meron ng payment sa partners, ang unang babayaran ay si South, since na siya yung unang priority. Nang magkano? 33,500 lang yung ibabayad sa kanya. Then, kapag bayad na si South sa first priority, ang sunod na priority is si South at si East. Sabay silang dalawa. Hindi pwedeng mauna si South, hindi pwedeng mauna si East. Sabay. Dapat. Na 43,500 in total. Na 14,500 kay South. 29,000 naman para kay East. Ngayon, kapag settled na ang priority 1 at priority 2, ang third priority is si North, South, and East. Sabay-sabay sila. Walang mauuna dapat dyan. Na 75, 25, and 50,000 pesos. Which total na 150,000 pesos. Ngayon, kapag naman settled na yung priority 3, so wala nang priority. Ngayon, any excess cash is i-distribute na sa kanila according sa kanilang profit and loss ratio. Ngayon, paano naman ginagamit itong cash distribution plan? I-apply natin siya ngayon sa journal entries ng installment liquidation, and ang basis sa payment to partners is cash distribution program. Okay, ngayong nakagawa na tayo ng cash distribution program, nalaman tuloy natin kung bakit desirable ang pag-prepare ng cash distribution program or cash distribution plan over schedule of safe payment. So dito, hindi pa man nagsisimula yung liquidation process, alam na natin yung mga amounts na ibabayad sa partners pagdating sa point na ng payment to partners. Wala pang actual na liquidation na nangyayari, pero meron na tayong mga figures na basis as payment to partners. Nalaman na natin na ang unang priority ay si South, next is South and East, third priority is si North, South, and East, and kapag settled na yung lahat ng priorities, any excess cash will be distributed ng according sa profit and loss ratio.